Hello, and this is my C++ experiment 10. This is about virtual pointers. Let us see the program. It has two programs initially. The first program is finding the average of the elements present in the array. Let's see the program. Okay, in this, in the main function I declared an array of size 5, and I initialized the average is equals to 0. Then I asked the user to enter the values. I stored that values using the pointer function. Here I is equals to 0, since first pointer of A gives the base address and then I is 0, so the first one will be stored in the first index, and when the I is 1, it trips to the next index of the array. Using this function, I store the values, and in the next, every time the value is stored, the average is added with the previous average, because it's initially it is 0. The element present in the in like the element stored then will be added to the average, which gives the sum of all elements present in the array. Then later, because it contains five values, I averaged it by 5. This gives me the average value present. Okay, let's run the program and see. It's asking me the elements 21, 45, 65, 112, 80. See, the average of numbers is 46. So this is the average using only pointers. Let's see. The second program of this is taking virtual pointers using class, and then this I have to make two child classes with using the base class, and then according to the requirement, like according to the class, it has to display the functions. So in this is the base class I created. The class name is shape. In that there are two variables in protected. The float, which are related to float, length and breadth. This is short form length and breadth. And this is the getter function, which gets the data from main thing and sets them, gets them and uses them. And this is the virtual pointer function, which initially, if this class is called, will initialized area is equals to 0. And these are the this is the first child class. The class is of triangle. I used public of shape, like, and in the public I created a function void area, and then the elements that it inherits from the class are calculated according to the area of the triangle function, and then displayed out. And in the next thing is the shape, a shape of a rectangle. In this, the breadth, length and breadth are taken from the base class and then displayed out. Okay, then later, you see here in the main function, two floats I have declared to get the data from the user. Then later, a pointer variable s1, which is of shape, like a pointer which is of data type shape, and first triangle object is created. This thing is taken, s1 is equalized with the address of t1, so that I can pass the arguments to the class. Then I ask the base of the triangle and send the store it in length, and the height of the triangle and store it in breadth. Using the pointer function, I said get the data using and store them in the base class. Then I call the area function of that. That will take from this thing, that will take from the area of rectangle and pass me with the argument. The same rectangle object is created, and rectangle pointer is being taken, and length of breadth of rectangle taken and stored, and then the get data is used to store the data in base class, and the area function is again called. Let's see the working of this program. So the area is 30 and here it's 15 and 14. This is the program I've written for virtual pointers. Thank you.